What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. Today we got a banger because we're gonna be talking about why I hate my Toyota Tacoma. So there she is, my beautiful 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, of course with the bird poop, because why not? Now, of course, this video is a little bit clickbaity as I absolutely adore and love my truck and cannot get enough of it. But a lot of my subscribers and a lot of the viewers on this channel that have not yet subscribed, but of course they just subscribed, thank you, are actually out buying Tacomas as we speak. And more people are like, hey, I just bought my 2020, hey, I just bought my 2021. But nonetheless, all the Tacomas for the most part are the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys 3 reasons why I hate my Toyota Tacoma. Hopefully this gives you some insight. These are things that kind of bother me, not so much hate. Alrighty, so we're gonna start off with the number one thing. Truck is on, so there may be a little bit of engine noise, so we're gonna stand a little bit further away, but underneath the hood, there's a V6. Underneath the hood, there's a V6, and unfortunately, it's not a V8. Now, I know it's a mid-sized truck. Why would there be a V8 in a mid-sized truck? Why not? I know none of the competitors offer it, but I know a lot of the competitors offer a much peppier, more aggressive V6. Even Ford's Eco 4 destroys this truck. Of course, we got the people who are gonna be like, oh, well, it's super reliable. Yeah. Again, I love it, it's reliable, but more power would be much more appreciated. So that's the number one thing I dislike. It's not aggressive, it's not hungry, it's just hungry for gears, if anything, but it's not hungry to get off the line. It's not mean when you're trying to pass somebody. It's kind of like, hey, let me get over real quick. Now, the second thing that I really dislike about my Toyota Tacoma, I dislike this only because sometimes I bring my little sisters around and it's not the most comfortable when we're all sitting inside the truck. The back seat space, it needs more. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys some visualization of the back seat. Sandy is sitting all the way back, so there's absolutely no space for anybody, and that's just for her to sit comfortably. Of course, you can scoot the seat up and you'll be good to go, but I like everyone to be comfortable. So with that being said, the back seat space is awful. Tacomas need a little bit more back seat space, and this is something that I can request, as GMC, Chevy, and I believe even the Jeep Gladiator obliterate the Tacoma in back seat space. And last but not least, I feel like the Tacoma isn't up to date as much as it should be. There's a lot of things that the Tacoma still is missing that other companies are doing without a problem. The number one thing that I found out that absolutely obliterated my heart, that the Tacoma doesn't have wireless Android Auto or wireless Apple CarPlay. And it's mainly in that head unit that this Tacoma lacks. Me personally, I like to be minimalistic as much as I can. Little cables, no cables, as much as I can. So the Tacoma having that one white cable, it kind of just bothers me on the black interior. I don't know, call me crazy. In other vehicles, you can actually get wireless Apple CarPlay, which is actually super cool. If anybody out there knows a mod to get it on this Tacoma, let me know. It's also really outdated on the headlights and the taillights. Now, I know you can pay more to get upgraded LEDs. I can't remember the commercial, but I think it may have been Kia or Hyundai. When you have to pay more for a Turbo 4, you brag about it. But when you just get it, something. What I'm trying to get at is, yeah, if I have to pay more for my headlights to be LED, of course I'm gonna brag about it. I just paid $1,000 more for LED headlights. The Tacoma should come standard with LED headlights. I remember for the 2019, or was it the 2021 4Runner, their breaking news was LED headlights. Why breaking news? Why isn't that standard? So yeah, those are the 3 reasons that I am not too big of a fan of the Tacoma, but of course, this thing is my baby. I love it absolutely as it is. Even without those things, it's more than perfect for me. Everything I needed to do, it does it above and beyond. It goes above and beyond every time I needed to do something. So I'm actually extremely happy with it. But if I had to pick out 3 things, that's what you get. The engine, backseat space, and not enough functionality, or not enough bang for your buck, I guess you could say. So your boy forgot to record an outro. I do apologize, but nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But with that being said, let me know if there's any things that you guys dislike about your Tacoma, because of course everybody has their pet peeves about the Tacoma. Let me know what are yours, and we'll go from there. It's been your boy, I'm Like and Audi. I'll see you tomorrow, Cinco de Malo. Peace.